Hello, my people. This is Sharnette. How no do? 2025 is full of great possibilities, and we're ready to step boldly into the future. So join us on Satideh Mawnin Runnings. This coming Saturday, January 4th at 10 a.m., we are going to reason about crossing over the dreams, the opportunities, and all the victories where we can claim. Log on to YouTube at Inside the Zone with Lady D. Plus follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Satideh Mawnin Runnings. Come make we talk Saturday, January 4th at 10 o'clock sharp. See you there.